Hi guys, this is Wayne Aqua from Toktok Papa and Waynee's Printing Services. So for today I'm going to show you how to write a review on a Facebook page. So the first thing you want to do is log into Facebook, and then you click on menu on the top right corner, and then you scroll over to page and you click pages, and then you scroll, look for like pages, click on like pages you have already liked, and then you'll see your pages, and then you click on the page you want to write the review. So for this case we're going to choose motion picture photography as our example. So you click on motion picture photography, and then you'll see a number of tabs like home, post, reviews, videos, photos, about, and community. So you're gonna stick on reviews, so you click on reviews, and then you'll see a question that says, would you recommend motion picture photography, yes or no? And below that you'll see a review written by Derek Tanfa, photography and video edition. So going back to the question, would you recommend motion picture photography? So depending on your experience, you either click yes or no. So for this case, if you say yes, you click on yes, and a pop-up box will appear for you to write your review. So Facebook only allow its user to have only 25 characters. So you can see when I'm typing, it gives the number of characters. So make sure to keep it short and sharp. So once you're done with your review, click done, and it will take you to the next stage, which it will allow you to upload a picture with the review or no. That you will decide. So once you're done, and it will be posted. So we won't write a review here as yet. Okay, so that's how you write a review on a Facebook page, and that's how you're gonna write it on my Facebook page, Toktok Papa and Waynee Printing Services. So you go over to Toktok Papa, click on it, and then you scroll down and you'll see different tabs again: home, services, reviews, shop, offers, etc. Sorry about the beds. The bed just, I don't know where it came from. So you click on reviews, and for my page I have only 2 reviews written and posted last year, 2021. And then because you can't see the question here, would you recommend Toktok Papa, because this is my page and I am the admin, and Facebook doesn't allow the admin to write a review on his or her own page. So for your case, if you see would you recommend Toktok Papa, depending on your experience, again you click yes or no and you write the review. And that's how you write a review on a Facebook page. Thanks guys, make sure to invite your friends and like and follow my page. On my next video I'll talk about how to invite friends on Facebook. Thanks guys, and cheers.